You can't get any more money until you learn how to keep the money you already have. So let's talk about the 75/15/10 rule and how it builds wealth. First things first, the majority of your money, 75%, goes towards your lifestyle. This is your needs and your wants. It's the rent, the groceries, the subscriptions, the clothes, the shoes, the bags, the cars, the vacations. All of it falls into this category. The second bucket, 15%, is what we call your future money. And this is where you're going to build your brand, your business, your investments. A lot of people don't budget for this, but it's the money that will make you the most money. Think of it like this: the more money you make, the more money you can invest, which makes you more money, which makes you more money. And then finally, 10% of your money goes towards your savings and your long-term investing. This is your retirement, your kids' college fund, your side hustle, your new home. Now here's the thing. A lot of people think of budgeting as restricting their lifestyle, and that's because they're not budgeting for their future selves. So many people are living paycheck to paycheck, and it's because they're not thinking about how to multiply their money and how to invest it back into themselves. So let me say this again. The 75/15/10 rule isn't just a budgeting strategy. It's a wealth formula that grows with you. Now, the next step after this is to make sure that you're actually following through with your plan. And that's why we created our free tracker. It tests 4 weeks of guided money habits that help you take control of your finances once and for all. There's also a free masterclass coming up on multiplying your income without burning out. You can find the link to both in the description below. When you apply the 75/15/10 rule, you're able to live your life, enjoy your lifestyle, while also investing in your future self and building wealth at the same time. And if you want to see the full video that breaks down the full glow up path, you can find it on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.